Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a really cool feature we have called plan logic. And instead of trying to explain how it works, I'm just going to show you a couple of use cases that I think will kind of put it in context. So you'll find it on the plans page. You just click on a plan, and then over here on the right hand side you click plan logic. Here you'll notice that you essentially have if-then statements. So if the plan is purchased, then I can add one or multiple free plans, or I can remove one or multiple free plans, or all free plans, just like that. I also have the ability to cancel individual prices, individual paid prices, or I can cancel all recurring prices, which for this example I'm going to go ahead and do and show you why this is useful. So imagine I have a site here where I have a monthly plan and a lifetime plan. If somebody upgrades from the monthly to the lifetime plan, I want to cancel their monthly subscription. So to show you that in action, I'm here on the site. I'm currently logged in as a member on the monthly plan, and I'm going to check out for lifetime access. There we go. And before I hit checkout, I'm just going to show you on the site real quick. We need to save that. There we go. If I go back here, here's my member. Demo is on the paid recurring plan. Go back over here, and I'm going to complete this checkout. Plan logic is going to kick in, and it's going to cancel my recurring plan. So back to the members table, and there we go. I now have lifetime access, and I will not be billed again for that recurring plan. Now, another situation where you might want plan logic is, let's say you have multiple free plans. Maybe you have a teacher and a student plan, and you want people to be able to switch between those and not have multiple, right? You can't be a student and a parent in this example. Here, I have free plan 1 and free plan 2. If I click free plan 1, I am added to that plan. If I go into the dashboard, I can see I am now on free plan 1. Check this out. If I click and go to free plan 2, there we go, I was added to the plan, and I now only have free plan 2. So essentially, using plan logic, I've created a scenario where a member can only have free plan 1 or free plan 2. And what that looks like on the plan logic is, right in here, I have said when free plan 1 is purchased or added, then I want to remove free plan 2. I could also do remove all free plans. Kind of depends on the use case. I'll let you figure that out. And then same thing, when free plan 2 is added, then I want to remove free plan 1, effectively swapping them. So there we go. That's two different use cases using plan logic. Hopefully this gets your brain going to come up with some cool ideas for things you can do with it. There's tons of options. It's super flexible, and we can't wait to see what you do with it. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.